I guarantee you no one is ever going to forget Rocky Mountain STOL 2024.
Okay, so we have 80-mile-per-hour winds and we're all holding up this thing. That was really wild.
Okay. We're in Pinedale, Wyoming at the Rocky Mountain National STOL event. This is the one high altitude competition that we have that's over 7,000 feet on the ground. Last year the density altitude was 11,000 feet when I was flying. I don't know what it'll be this year, but it's high. It's high. Everybody kind of struggles in a way. Everything's long, you know, the air's thin.
Do you think there's any danger in running this high of an elevation?
No, not really. Not if people are just used to their airplanes.
The wind's pretty tailwindy, shifty, but he's going flying.
I'm going. I've been waiting around to see if it's going to get any better, but it doesn't seem like it's going to get any better, so I might as well just go get my practicing in. I haven't flown this since Oshkosh, so I definitely could use the practice.
We'll get some flying in.
Even though we're turbocharged, we're actually a little down on power from what we were in Hartford and Oshkosh. Wasn't very good, 100 feet, but I didn't scratch. And it is just practice day, but still, you know, I like to practice like I want to do it when it really counts, so.
Super easy, yeah. Hey Sarah, how goes it?
Good, how about you?
Good. Oh man, that was my first time.
Good, you did great.
It was your first time of doing a STOL competition type of...
Well, yeah, to this extent.
It's fun, huh?
Yeah, oh my god, it's great. It's awesome.
You're 1,000 feet up.
Yeah.
You just see the ground just like out there in front of you.
Oh yeah. No,
I mean, that tail's way down right now, and you can still... This is really incredible, guys.
It's Friday night and we're here to go check out the concert in the park.
Big city, population 2,000.
tail control.
Used to, but you're burning a lot more. Right? Take off. Cruising around the pedal is probably the same. Okay.
Jonas is about to enter his first STOL competition.
Shut off when
And he's nervous, but I think it's fun. The class right before him is up and the wind is doing weird stuff. It's like headwind, tailwind, it's just circling, swirling. What do you think about the wind?
It's not very good. It's just swirling around, doesn't know what it wants to do.
Does it make it dangerous or just difficult?
It doesn't. No, it's not really dangerous. I mean, you can't take chances. You have to carry a little more speed.
The windsock out there is the wind's blowing this way. The windsock here is blowing 180 degrees out.
Yeah.
Here goes Jonas's second takeoff. I missed his first one because I was over at the airplane.
Man, I hope I get wind like it's doing right now.
I hope you do too. Nice. That was a good one for Jonas.
I better go over to my airplane.
Okay, yeah. Have fun, Dad.
Love you.
Love you too.
Genuine aircraft hardware company has been holding aviation together since 1984. Nuts, bolts, screws, wires.
Good job, guys. It was awesome. I don't know who won. It was close.
I got 7 out of 10. I got 1.
Hopefully
that's true because I'm celebrating way too much right now.
What I really got to do is not scratch. I've been scratching way too much lately, and I'm really tired of it. So no scratching. Yeah, the breeze is straight sideways at the moment. There's some pretty tough guys in the sport class that had some pretty nice headwind that's pretty hard to beat. Steve, go. Scratch.
Yeah, you did good.
Did I really? The air was horrible.
Yeah, the air was real bad, but you did good. Yeah.
I really bombed it in on that last one.
Yeah, they were saying that'll be a good TikTok video. What'd you think, Hal?
Bad air.
Yeah.
Horrible. Oh, man.
Well, I'm glad you guys were safe out there.
I don't know whether we were safe or not.
Oh.
Yeah, I just carried a bunch more speed after that first one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my ground speed was like.
Yeah. Oh.
But that's all the slower you could get.
I know, it'd fall out.
Yeah.
It'd fall right out.
Well, you did it. Good job. We're making it work. Just barely didn't run over camp. Yeah. The team's all wearing blue. Yeah. All right. Man, we really got the airplane. We got the airplane in just in time. It said 68-mile-an-hour winds are coming. Oh geez, here they come. Here they are. Joel's airplane almost flew away. Completely almost. It's just not lifting at all. It's kidding me. Not at all. wild. We were just packing up, getting done with the event. We had just barely pushed my dad's airplane into the trailer, and Keith came by and said, buckle up, we got 75-mile-per-hour winds coming. And then like 2 minutes later, just like a wall, it hit. So we were all scrambling to get airplanes tied down. I'm gonna go around and assess the damage. And there definitely was some damage. How'd everybody come out over here? I got a tent casualty, airplane's okay. It came out all right, huh? Joel?
Yeah.
Made it?
Came out all right.
That was a close one, man. It looked like it was flying there for a minute.
It was. It came out luckily as good as it ever was.
Yeah, good.
Have to hold everything down.
Yeah.
Dirty mess.
It's gonna be some missing tent parts, I'm thinking too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad you made it. You know, he's fine. He's tied up in the trailer. It looks like all the porta potties got tipped over. Yeah, porta potties are tipped over. I'm not even going that way.
I guarantee you no one is ever going to forget Rocky Mountain STOL 2024. That was pretty wild. Kyle Bushman said in the WhatsApp, if anyone saw it, it said, yeah, things got a little western out here. So that is what happened. Okay, well on that note, let's move on to the awards. Single-handedly held his plane in place, one hand on a prop, digging his heels into the sand while the airplane was in the air. How was your experience today? Because this is the first time out for you, right?
Yeah.
Not the, let's not worry about the win, but the competition.
Oh yeah.
First time out.
Yeah, but it was a rough day today, like intense, I guess, for me. But yeah, just first time competing, and I love the National STOL. I'm so impressed with what you guys do, and I've always wanted to compete. And I actually finally had an airplane this year, which I literally was putting VGs on an hour before I rolled out. I think they helped, and it was so intense. I was shaking. I was sticking my hand out the window to get the sweat off, and I had a blast.
Well, had a blast. Great to have you. Congratulations. Nice flying today. And in first place, with a combined score of 127 feet at 9,600 feet density altitude. You can go ooh out of that one. Okay. You're like, oh, we were all flying in it. Steve Henry, get up here. Congratulations, Steve. What a day. What a weekend. Pinedale, amazing.